real, it's still real, it's gonna stay real. Focus on your peace moving forward. If it shows up half baked, half cooked, half made, half ready, release it. Period. Stop forcing shit that's no longer. Ain't gonna hold nobody. Ain't gonna fake shit, ain't gonna hold shit, ain't gonna make shit up. I love what I do. Cause I'm tapped the fuck in. I'ma read these motherfucking cards left, right, up, down, sideways, sideways. You hear me? Yeah, I read Mirror 2. Tap the fuck backwards in reverse. I'ma read these bitches. Hello, collective. Welcome. Let's get into your messages. Flipping a switch, you take a resonate only from the multiple scenarios that will come out in this collective read. Anything you need to know about me will be down below. Let's see what the universe wants you to know. Woosah, ready to snap, need to relax. Somebody need to take 5 minutes, 5 weeks, 5 months. Let's see, 5 is change. Take a chill pill, says the universe. Yeah, you too passionate, too fired up about something. Could be some impulse. Passion burning for you. Some of you could be losing your passion. This could be lack of momentum, lack of drive, ambition. Passion burning in reverse. Some of you are not ready yet, up to par. You're not up to speed about something. Some of you, somebody has pulled back from you because they lost passion for you. Or they got something else going on in their life. Let's see. Multiple scenarios for the collective. Conspiracy in reverse. Other people plotting to keep you apart. They can't do that no more. People interfering in your life, no more. All your relationships. Let's see. They rolling the dice though. Gamble, about to take a risk to see you. Or someone's headed your way now that there's no more interference. Yes. For the collective. Relocated, quit job, or got fired. Inconspicuous. Wanting you to stay but being low-key about it. Interesting. Somebody barely giving. They say they're not going to chase you. But they don't want you to go nowhere. Excuse me. I got sick back to back, y'all. I'm getting better. Y'all getting collective reads all week though. Cause I can't do it. Trying to get over this cold, but I couldn't leave y'all hanging. My Patreon too. TikTok too. Shit. I caught a cold and 3 platforms went down. Not that much. Let's see. Lit passion burning for you. Why is this in reverse? Seven of Swords. 5 of Wands. Aquarius and Leo energy. Let's keep it rolling. Let's see. Conspiracy in reverse. Sideways. The Hermit. They can't see. We're gonna come back, I promise. Gamble. Queen of Pentacles. Knight of Wands. How you gonna try to bother this lady? She focusing on herself. People weird. Okay, hold on, y'all. Relocating. Get these cards out here. Death. Damn. Somebody got fired for real. Quit job or got fired. Or complete change. King of Swords. Somebody astral traveling too. This is an avenging angel over a Hierophant. This Hierophant got bodyguards in the spirit realm. King of Swords and the King of Wands. Fuck with it.
Fuck with it. Who's slow? Inconspicuous. Must be slow. I don't give a fuck. Inconspicuous. King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles. We got soulmates, counterparts, 4 of Cups, but somebody losing hope. Let's see. Let's get some words. Passion burning for you in reverse. For the collective. I want to start over. But the passion in reverse. Alright, conspiracy. I daydream about life with you. Gamble. You let me down. I'm not financially stable. Relocating. You inspire me in reverse. Somebody lost passion for something. Yeah, I can't do this. Inconspicuous. I don't know how to feel. I have too much to lose. I wonder how you feel, though. Damn, that's funny. I don't know how to feel. I wonder how you feel. Wanting you to stay but being low-key about it. I don't know how to feel, but I wonder how you feel. Somebody's emotionally unavailable. Spirit say detached. Damn. Is that 4 of Cups relevant? You broke my... Okay, yeah. Excuse me, y'all. I'm trying to get y'all some content out here, but I'm about to go lay down. You didn't see my tears. 4 of Cups, you broke my heart. Damn, somebody's really depressed. Somebody moping around. Look at that. Empress. Behind the Queen of Wands and the 2 of Wands. This Empress is moving forward. She ain't tripping off none of these hexes and shit. Somebody trying to partner up the Zen. People be bored. You gotta be real slow to be fucking with an emperor or empress. But kudos to you people. Spirit, let's get to the nitty gritty. Excuse me, y'all. This ain't me. This ain't your girl. All the herbs I got in this house, I ain't even tried none of them. That's crazy. I've just been looking silly all week. For the last 2 weeks, shit. I got sick, then I started feeling better. Then the weather changed, and we had a blizzard. We had a wet blizzard. It was crazy. A wet, windy blizzard. It was raining and windy as fuck. Then we got a tornado. I'm like, I can't stand St. Louis. Alright, lit in reverse. Let's get it. Tantric sex, bugaboo. Yeah, you no longer... Yeah, tapped in. Tantric sex and passion burning for you. Same energy, chemistry, fire. Both in reverse. You no longer grant access to whoever this is trying to get in your sacral chakra on some bullshit. It's over with. Whoever this is that just want to fuck. They want to come back, do the same thing. They miss you. For some of you, a small piece of you, some of you did cut the cookies off. You did say no more ding-a-ling. So now they really do want to try to be serious because you gave them a no for the weirdness. Destroyed, shot it, broken, fucked up. For some of you, somebody trying to get in your sacred energy to throw your whole world off. They weird. Conspiracy, or you weird. Flip it and switch it. Conspiracy is outdated, expired, disused, old news, discarded. Conspiracy in reverse, hermit sideways, introspection, wisdom, solitude, daydreaming about a life with you. Someone's been thinking and reflecting on what they truly want now that something, a veil has been lifted. They're thinking about a life with you, or this is you, or you're thinking about a life that brings you fulfillment and stability. You're done playing with the past. Hell yeah. That's the whole read. Done playing with the past. Gamble. Sideways. Envy. Yeah, mom's rolling the dice. They know they fucked up. How about we stop trying that? I felt it over there. How about we stop trying to come up against divine beings? When y'all gonna get tired of that shit? They're gonna be sadly disappointed, full of cups, not getting what they want. You broke my heart. Scorpio energy with the death. Drake got a song that say, "You broke my heart." He's a Scorpio. Tapped in. Bad mood trying to block your love life. They don't want to hear it though. They keep trying the same thing. Trash. That ain't happening. They've been doing the same shit. What else is this? Someone doesn't want to let somebody go, so they've been doing spell work. They rolling the motherfucking dice. They doing spell work and rolling the dice because they hate. I'm telling you. Somebody rolling the dice on spinning the block on their past because they ain't got shit else to do. Some of you, somebody's so obsessed with you. Out of the billions of people on this planet, they don't want to go be with nobody new. It's a friend, a foe, a lover, a family member. Let me not get fired up so I can take a peaceful nap. But yeah, all the people on the planet, you won't worry about one motherfucker. Even for the people that do hexes and curses and jinxes and spells and poppet dolls and voodoo dolls and this and that. Go find you something else to do. Why you fixated on one person? Oh, because they special. You could be special too. Shit. Dummy. But you're not though. That's why your rank is so low. That's why your destiny's so weird. That's why your purpose is so irrelevant. Yeah, I said it. Because you don't know how to build yourself up, ascend, and become a better person so God could use you to uplift others. No, but you want to let low vibrations use you though. Fuck. I want to be special. Be special. Be different. Do right. Righteous. Shit. Relocate. Let me calm down. What's this about, spirit team? People weird. With the death. Falling apart, bank failure. I'm tapped in. It say quit job or got fired. Play with who? Bank failure. Ooh. What? Falling apart. Check yourself. Spirit say whatever the fuck this is not happening. You about to lose everything trying to be like somebody else. You inspire me in reverse is envy, ain't it? Is it not? There's a thin line between being inspired by somebody, infatuated with somebody, and then just flat out hating on them. You want what they got at some point. You inspire me in reverse is envy. Because somebody that's inspirational should be, he playing. But he said he's sorry. They're going to regret this shit. Spirit, what they done try? I know they done try something. What dice they rolling? What's this? What's this? A water sign been studying you? Research, Herman energy. They thought that they studies, the experiments, okay, what they didn't learn, investigating, examinations, inquiry, research. They thought all that shit would help them. What does water sign try to do? What was the spiritual attempt? Love, spell, manipulation tried to jump out. Motherfucking I just turned that around, tried to block your path, return to sender. What else they done tried to do? You're on the right path. Angel number 1, 2, 3, 4. I just showed that. Higher calling. This may come with opposition. Was that this video or the one I just did? That's crazy. Your purpose comes with opposition. Someone's envious of you. What did they try to do? Try to block your path. Cloak your shield yourself. Looking into your life. Projecting over you. They tried to cloak you and hide you so that you wouldn't be seen. And change your perspective on a lie. more than likely about love. This person weird. They tried to play on your cap. They rolling the dice. They tried to get you to self-sabotage. Projecting all of that bullshit over your mind. That's for somebody specific. But they gonna regret that shit. Inconspicuous, wanting you to stay but being low-key about it. What's this about? In their feelings. Somebody's upset that you move forward. They looking into your life. I already know the tea. They already know what's coming towards you. They want what you got. Some of you fucked your way into a situationship. It did not pan out. Now you upset. Or someone is in their feelings about you. Y'all fuck. Maybe y'all didn't use the rubber. Now they got feelings for you, but they want to express them. But that's weird. That's weird. Grown people not expressing their feelings is weird to me. Or I can be someone to say, listen, go get some help, go get some counseling, go get some therapy. It's going to permanently be rude to me, be weird to me, if you get into a partnership with another human being. Why even attempt? Why even start? Why even initiate if you can't utilize your emotions the way that you need to? That's what's weird to me. Getting into a partnership with another adult and still don't know how to use your emotions is weird. Shit. 4 of Cups. Be single. Destroyed. It didn't go the way that they wanted. I'm telling you, shattered, broken, fucked up, bottom of the deck, don't want to hear it. Whoever the fuck been trying to project over you to get you to come back. Some of you got into a partnership where somebody broke your heart, they hurt your feelings, they played on you, they played on your cap, your kindness, and all of that. They don't want to hear what you got to say. They don't want to hear your emotions. For some of you, you didn't want to hear that you need to let this person go so that they can heal. That's accountability on that note. What's behind that? It's a love story. For some of you, you broke up with somebody, you move forward. Or you're waiting on somebody to break up with somebody and move forward with you. You need some healing in between that. For others of you, I feel like this is somebody scorned that can't have what you got. Or you got somebody that they used to be with and they upset. It's multiple scenario. Regardless, somebody from the past about to lose all their shit trying to come up against you. Peace.